In this video, I'm going to show you how you could invite your friends in this game called RV There Yet. So basically, what you want to do, press new game, type some random stuff, and you could choose if it's invite only or all your Steam friends can join. Basically, just start the game. Alright, once you're in here, basically all you want to do is press escape, press invite friends, and it's gonna go through all your Steam friends that are online, and you can even search for some. Yeah, you basically just gonna want to click on their name, and you could invite them that way, and then they have to press shift tab, and then go to friends, and then join it from here, like press join game like that. And you can invite all your friends from shift tab if you want to, but I feel like escape and invite friends is way better. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.